What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over our friend Gala Games, currently sitting at 0.029, down 6% on the day, sitting a market cap of 192 million. 24-hour volume all the way down to 61 million. So let's hop into the charts. Looking at the Elliott wave count, we are looking at let me zoom out a little bit here. It's coming down in a wave 5, so you have your wave 1 with that crash, wave 2 pullback, looking to come down in the wave 3, and within the wave 3 are 5 waves. So you have your wave 1, your wave 2 pullback, and I think we're going through a little bit of an Elliott wave triangle. So this is also a falling wedge, which can break to the upside, has a higher chance to break to the upside. However, we have a classic breakdown and retest of the larger falling wedge, which I'll show you in a sec here. So we're going through an A, B, C, D, E corrective Elliott wave triangle, and if we break down from here, then that's when we can see the continuation down in a wave 3, and the target is all the way down here at 0.013. So to simplify things here on the daily chart, this is the falling wedge I was talking about. So you can see classic breakdown retest, and usually you're going to see continuation down to the technical target. With the amount of pessimism and bearishness in the market right now, I do think things will continue to sell off slowly here. But if we were to bounce, if let's say we create a double bottom and we bounce and we get back above these levels of resistance, get back above the EMAs, then we can flip a little bit more bullish on Gala. But for right now, we need to focus on the bearish scenario, and we've broken down, we've retested. So your technical target is down here at 0.017. That's just very basic, simple technical analysis. All right, gang, that's pretty much it for Gala Games. Just a quick update here, pretty boring sideways price action. So just wait for this wedge to break, and if it does break to the downside, then you can expect you to start to come down in that wave 3. And if you do break to the upside, well, you have a technical target all the way at the top of the wedge at 0.033. However, you will still just be retesting the larger falling wedge pattern. So as you can see right here, breakdown, retest. Sometimes you'll retest again before seeing continuation to the downside. As I mentioned, to flip bullish, I'd like to see us get back above the EMAs, break back above the wedge. But usually you're not going to have a fake out to the upside and then break down back into the pattern, fake out again, and break to the downside and fake out to the downside and push up. You don't see that very often. Usually when you see a fake out to the upside and then you break down, you are going to see continuation. We'll see how it plays out for Gala Games. That's it for this one. Make sure to sign up to Bybit. You can watch my full length tutorial. Link is in the description. It's also on my homepage, up to $30,000 in bonuses. And if you email me your sign up email, free access to my Discord of over 2,000 members, posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. So if you sign up to Bybit or Bitkit, no VPN required on Bitkit for my US traders. Email me your sign up email, free access to over 2,000 members talking all things crypto. $10 membership, early access to my analysis as well as my trade signals. You can sign up to the Patreon. You really can't beat it. And I'll see you in the next video. Smash that like button. All right, peace. Take care.